Good morning, engineers. I am Bernabe from BSCE 2H, and this is Engineering Data Analysis. Our topic for today is all about probability of an event. Example number 3. A class for mathematics consists of 32 industrial, 8 mechanical, 13 electrical, and 5 civil engineering students. If a student is randomly selected to answer a question, determine the probability that the student chosen is an industrial engineering major and the probability that the student is a civil engineering or an electrical engineering major. First, let us know the total number. Sorry guys, but in a while we will not see the question because I don't have the proper materials for this activity. Okay, all we need to do is to add all the students from different classes. Number 1, we have 32 industrial. Let us write the 32. 32 industrial. Then we have 8 mechanical, 13 electrical. 8 mechanical, then 13 electrical. Sorry guys for the noisy environment. We have a furniture shop in the neighbor, and we have many chickens here. And we have 5 civil engineering students, which will equal to 58 students. Okay, we add those students from 4 different classes. So we have 58 total students. Now, we can say that our N, or the total number, N is equal to 58. Okay, in this question, they say determine the probability that the student chosen is an industrial engineering major. Okay, let us make it as an event A. Event A. A. Event A is the probability of industrial. Oops. Wrong. Probability of industrial. There. Okay, we have the formula that probability is equals to N over N. We all know that we have an industrial engineering of 32 students. Therefore, our small letter n is equals to 32. We can plot the values we have. P is equals to 32 over our total number is 58. If we calculate that or simplify the events, we have the divided by 2, simplify it by 2, I guess. 16 over 29. Okay, this is the final. Nope. We have to rewrite it. The probability, let us have an arrow. The probability of getting industrial engineering is equals to 16 over 29. Oops. 16 over 29. This is our answer for event A. Okay, let's go to event B. event. Let's have another page. Okay. Event B says that we have to get the probability that the student is a civil engineering or an electrical engineering major. We have the rule that if we have the or, we will add the probabilities, and if we have the and, we will multiply the probabilities. In this problem, we have an or, civil engineering or an electrical engineering major. Therefore, let be the event. Okay. Oops. Let event B. Event B is equals to civil engineering or um, electrical. Electrical. Oh yes, electrical. We have a we have 5 civil engineering students and 13 electrical students. Oops, wrong. Undo that and then okay. Therefore, since we have the or, our formula for this is it is unequal. Again guys, sorry for the noisy environment. Probability of event B is equals to probability of getting civil engineering plus the probability of getting an electrical engineering. Okay, first we have to calculate the probability of civil engineering. Okay, our n for this problem, wait, we have to make a boundary so that it wouldn't mess. Okay. Okay, we have an n is equals to 5 civil engineering students. And we have n which is equals to 58. Okay. Probability of event C is now is equals to probability is equals to n over big letter N. Okay, let's plot the values. Probability is equal to 5 over 58. 5 over 58. Then we know that we cannot simplify this because there's no common factor. Okay, we will go now to the probability of getting an electrical engineering. Guys, look at this screen, this on the top, not on this on the bottom, because it is where I write. And yeah. Okay, we know that we have 13 electrical engineering students and we have the total students of 58. Getting the probability is equals to small letter n over big letter N. Then the probability of getting an electrical engineering students is equals to 13 over 58. Okay guys, we have the values of the probabilities of getting civil engineering students and the electrical engineering students. Now, to get the probability of the event B, we have to add these two values. Okay. Let us go maybe here. Probability of event B is equals to probability of getting civil engineering students plus the probability of getting electrical engineering students. Then we may plot the value. Let's have a semicolon here. Probability is equal to the probability of civil engineering students is 5/58. Oops, wrong. 5/58. Then the probability plus the probability of getting electrical engineering, which is equal to 13/58. Then we have the total probability, semicolon. Probability of event B is equals to, let's just add the two. It is equal to 18/58. 18/58. Okay, we can simplify this by dividing this, both this into 2. We will have the value of 9/29. Okay, this 9/29 is can't simplify. So now we have the answer of probability of event B is equals to 9/29. Okay, let's just oops, wrong. Let us box the answer. Here is the answer. Okay guys, for better view, let's look at this. Because I can provide a better app or materials that needed this. Okay, our first problem, if you have to look at it, this is the first event. We have the probability of getting an industrial engineering students of 16/29. We can calculate its decimal in decimal form, and we can answer it in fraction form. Here I prepare fraction form because it is more it is more accurate. And then the probability of event B is 9/29. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for listening.